Running a business, it is no easy feat. The financial considerations from payroll to loans to budgeting mean you really need a banking partner you can trust. Harborstone Credit Union's Denise Parker joins us now to talk about using a money management coach. Hi, Denise.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm so good, and we're so glad to talk to you because I don't know that a lot of folks know what a money management coach can do. And so my question to you is, do businesses have access to these coaches at Harborstone, and what is the advantage of having that?
Right. So yes, having a business banker on your side is so important, whether you're starting out your new business or you're trying to grow and expand. And Harborstone earlier this year really recognized the importance of that. So we formed a team of business bankers, or money management coaches is what we call ourselves. And what that does is it does provide you as a small business owner with the account with us access to us at all times. You don't have to call in a call center or get, a bunch of people that won't be able to answer your question right away. We are there for you. You can give us a call directly on our cells or on our text. You can email us directly. For anything, for anything simple as transferring money to checking, transactions in your account, and even getting you connected with other services that our credit union offers, such as access to loans and setting you up with cash management. So if you're ever in a bind, I have my clients text or call me all the time. And if I'm available, I'll be able to look into it. And the really nice part is we're part of a team. So if I'm out and about, say at an event, I'll be able to ask my team members to look into it. So the turnaround time to getting your questions answers is super fast when you have the business team on your side.
That is key. I mean, I am anti-call center. I'll tell you that right now, Denise. So it is pretty nice to know.
I am too.
And I think a lot of folks, because of what we've been through over the last 2 years, are really trying to decide, hey, I want to take this idea and make it a business. I want to make this happen. So how important is it, if you're going to start a business, let's say, to start out with banking business accounts?
It's super important. One of the common things that I see is people will start their businesses, but they're running it out of their personal account. Well, when you have your personal account, not only are you trying to, manage your expenses for your business, but it's getting caught up with all the other bills and transactions that you're using. So a lot of the finances can get muddled. So opening that business account can really help you take the first step in seeing what your ins and outs are, separating your business expenses from your personal one, and really being able to dive into how you're doing, as far as getting all of the startup costs going, or even just paying your employees, paying your bills. It gives you access to be able to recognize right away how you're doing, how you're spending, and how things are going with your bank account. So it's super important to get that open. Another important thing is, another important thing is you want to make sure that you have your business accounts established, because as you start to grow and you want to look into lending and other products that can expand your business, you're definitely going to have to need that business account to show the financials.
Yeah, and another thing that you were mentioning is kind of balancing the personal and the business accounts. Because as we head into holidays, it's hard to keep track of everything. And fraud is a real concern during the holidays and during this time of year. What do you need to know to be ready to protect your business?
What I would definitely recommend is, for one, if you are running the books on your own, that's fine. Keeping that business account separate from your personal is going to help tremendously should fraud hit your account, and just have a backup plan. But I would definitely recommend having someone, either an accountant or a bookkeeper on hand that's going to be able to keep track of those expenses. I would definitely say have a plan, have all of your vendors that are paying you and all of the vendors and employees that you are paying, have a list of that ready to go. When you do have fraud on your account, you do have to get those accounts closed right away and reopen. And that can definitely be a huge hassle, because you have to reset up all of the automatic payments and transfers and things that you may have set up. So having that separated from your personal is key, because then you can just focus in on fixing your business account, and also making sure that you have that plan in place. Now, what Harborstone will do, which is really awesome, is during that transition time after we close out your account, we'll keep an eye on things that are coming in and out of the account during those couple of weeks where you're sending out your new numbers and getting everything reset up. We understand that it's a pain, so we want to try to make that transition as smooth as possible.
Absolutely. Well, I know we ran out of time, but I know that you all are very passionate about helping businesses budget, and that's something that Harborstone does too, and people can contact y'all for more of that. But thank you, Denise, for your time. That was so important and helpful and informative. We thank you.
Thank you so much. And yeah, come check us out at Harborstone for your business needs.
All right. Well, so to learn more about Harborstone Credit Union and how they can help with your business banking needs, just go to the website on your screen. So much great information there. Meantime, for those kids at home this week, we have the perfect boredom buster coming up next. Smart with Arts, Amy Friedman. She serves up a side of creativity that's perfect for your Thanksgiving table. We'll be right back.
This portion of New Day Northwest is sponsored by Harborstone Credit Union.